Hi guys, let's take a look on Hijoe 20-inch fat bike, named Hijoe. We use suspension frame aluminum alloy material, 48-volt 18 Ah lithium battery, 48-volt 1000 watts brushless motor, Shimano 7 gears, big saddle, hydraulic suspension. Here is the battery. Charger here, on and off here, and here is for charge your cell phone. This cover for waterproof. We use 4-inch fat tire, front big suspension. Front and rear hydraulic disc brake. This bike max speed can reach to 55 km per hour. It can go 100 kilometers with loading 150 kg. Let's take a look on the handlebar. We use big LCD with 5 different pedal assisted. You can see the number change. On assistant 5, it will be 55 km per hour. Here, less speed, and turn on and off light. Little push here, and a little push on. Hydraulic brake lever. Also, we use a throttle here. When we switch throttle, the motor is running at full speed. Or we use pedaling. When we're pedaling, the motor is running, but we have different pedal levels. Now it's on pedal level 4, and we can change to pedal 5, which means the max speed 55 km per hour. Let's take a full view here. '20-inch bike, model Hijoe from Hijoe Bikes. Thank you.